Oh, hi. I didn't know it was working then. Hey guys, welcome back. I am gonna show you guys how to install Optifine for 1.8.1. Simply just type in Optifine in any search engine of your choice. It could be even Ask Jeeves if you're feeling lucky. Go on to the first link that appears. It is optifine.net/home or http :// if you're feeling lucky as well. You can type that in. You've got to download the right Optifine for the right update you're using. And first of all, you want to make sure that you have run the game, or like the version that you are wanting to put the Optifine on. So if I wanted to have a 1.8.1 Optifine, I would want to install the normal vanilla one. I would just want to click play, download the jar, and launch it up normally so that all the 1.8.1 files are in my jar list, or in my .minecraft file, so everything's there. I don't know if this is actually going to load. Never actually tried it. That's lovely. Get off that. So we want a 1.8.1, which is at the top because it's the newest update. You're going to obviously want the Ultra one, because the Ultra one is the only one out for this one at the moment. You can't get the normal, being the standard and the light. But I would recommend the Ultra anyway, because it works pretty much on any decent computer, or even really bad ones, because I used to have a really bad laptop, and Optifine pretty much saved me because I went with the Ultra one. And the Ultra one is a lot better because it works on gaining you a lot of FPS, and it really did. Optifine really helped me because you get to choose advanced settings to disable that normal vanilla can't do. So anyway, yeah, just click the download. I'm not really getting to the point, sorry about this. Stay on this page if you get this. Don't worry if your cookies are disabled, you just have to wait a little second. Because it will do a countdown. Just because your cookies aren't enabled doesn't mean it won't let you. Yeah, you just have to wait a little bit. I think in reality it's actually playing the video, and then it gets to a certain point before the countdown starts, but obviously your cookies aren't enabled, so you can't even look at the video. It's just one of those betting ones and all that, or whatever. So this link will appear. Download 1.8.1 HDU. That's a high definition ultra, that stands for, and that's the version of it. So this is the up-to-date one. It'll say this is a harmful file only because it is a .jar file. It says that about Minecraft and stuff like that. So then when you click here, if you have Chrome, if you don't have Chrome, and you have Mozzarella Firefox, as I like to call it, then you would go up here because your download would be here, and then you would just click it from there. For some reason I don't have Internet Explorer on my computer. I think I got rid of it. But yeah, when you click it, it should come up with this window, and you just click install, and it will say Optifine is successfully installed. It will only say that if you have run the game through the vanilla version, because remember, Optifine is not exactly vanilla or vanilla based. It is a mod for the versions of Minecraft. That was a fail. I put in 18.1, 1.8.1. So when you save the profile, it will see ready to update, and pretty much download the jar file of 1.8.1 Optifine HD Ultra, version C7 I think we downloaded. So that's pretty cool. It's gonna do the camera, even though my computer is pretty decent. Play world. You can probably hear me breathing into the mic, that's why I keep adjusting it. So, hi. Settings. You can change this. So you can change that to what you want. You can turn the fog off or on. Use VBOs, use bobbing, put the fog away, so how far away you can see it. If you have it here, it's closer. That means it's further away, so you're less amount to see it. The fog's off anyway, for me. Details, have all this on. Handheld tooltips is when you have an item like this and it has durability. That's handheld tooltips. And compasses, that's a handheld tooltip. It's when it tells you information and stuff in your hand. Oops. Just went off the world for a minute there. Frame rate, you can set your frame rate. You can do that on the vanilla version, but of course, this is a lot better. Chunk loading, stuff like this. You can turn all your animations off. Your others are the things like lagger meters, your debug profilers, which are on the debug screen, which is this. And I'm only getting like 60 odd frames just because I'm recording. And this debug profiler thing, you know, this massive pie chart that's taken up half the screen, that is really, really laggy. So if I were you, I'd turn that off and I'd turn that off. If you're on single player, you can turn the weather off. Auto save, you can set your resolution as well, which is, you can't do that in vanilla, so it's really, really useful. And yeah, look at that, I'm getting like 130 odd frames now, and I was getting like 60, 70 when I had that thing on. I highly doubt the video is actually previewing in 60 FPS or 120 because I haven't set the options of the BB flashback to record in a game mode, so you're probably seeing a bunch of lag. But yeah, this is how you quickly install Optifine. So if you follow all the steps I've done, then you should be able to install it, and it should work. So thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.